अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय चैनल नेम इज़ हिना इन्फो। मेरे चैनल को शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, साथ में देखिए बेल आइकन बटन को दबा दें ताकि हमारे आने वाले इस नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। चलिए एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं वीडियो की जाने बाद मैं बताऊँगी 15 बेस्ट इजी ड्राइंग आइडियाज़ फॉर किड्स, be it with chalk on a sidewalk or carry-on sandpaper. And drawing is an artistic activity that comes naturally for kids. Drawing brings several development benefits, making it vital for children in their early years, like developing fine motor skills and encouraging visual analysis, just like other forms of expressions like dance and story. Telling the pursuits of drawing, when duly encouraged, has blossomed into a beautiful talent. Click here to know more about the fun ways to learn alphabetic activities for kids. Here, look at the 15 best easy drawing ideas for kids that will help nurture the young. Picasso House, the first thing kids graduate towards its drawing, one of those drawing ideas for this returned mind. And again, how to draw a square for the house main body and a couple of yards on its window, and a rectangular door and a triangle at the top of the roof tree. One of the most excellent drawing ideas for kids that can help them become attentive based on their natural observation. How to the first things to do, so create a large over trunk, then match the three grows as you add branch to it and leads to those branches. Bonus points for coloring the tree trunk brown and the leaves green. Tracing the hand, this is one of those easy drawing ideas for which you do not need color. How to have your child outline their hand with the pencil. This creates sensory experience will help you propel them to create a more detailed drawing around a hole. If you are looking for drawing ideas without the pencil, this is how to make a sheet of paper and cut a hole in the center. Then have you children draw around the hole. The grape of could be center of a flower. It can even a house window. Cat meow. If you are if your child loves cat, they will start catching them even more. One of the best kindergarten drawing ideas. How to cats are easy to draw as it is keep them as pets. Drawing a large circular head and oval body. Remember to add the whiskers and tail. Click here to know more about the best shape activities for a preschooler's rainbow. As simple drawing ideas can bring sunshine and some beautiful rainbows. Show how to draw a curved lines across the sheet of paper. The draw seven equally spaced lines coming around from it, shaded between the lines with the appropriate colors of the rainbow. Self-portrait type. These one of you are looking for drawing ideas for. If you have the center of attention, how to have some starts by drawing an oval for their face and then left to them fill in the eyes, nose, ears. Drawing on a map. Who says drawing needs to be done on blank paper? How to get some maps and have your child so while filling on them better still have them create their map. Drawing a minion drawing ideas for kids just got more fantastic. This one easier than it might be. Same how to draw a circular head with the two smaller circles for the eyes and a line across the mouth and sketch a rectangular shape to put. Remember the arm and leg spot but of the sea at sea always find the place in the kids drawing. The drawing is a voyage in itself. How to start with the curved line for the boss hull. Draw the mesh in the middle and two cells in the other sides. List you forget. Remove some waves to bottom to set your board selling. Drawing a tandem. Drawing ideas for kids is more fun with implemented unusual. How to start by drawing a single line on the paper. They have you child add something to it. It could be obstacles or perhaps even an animal. Then you add to that and so on. You will never know the masterpiece you might add. Have with the beautiful butterfly create a art and color with fun garden drawing ideas like this one. How to before you add colors we have to create the drawing. It's simple, just to draw a small circular head and remove its long oval main body below its head and attach its head. Then draw two shades of semicircles on either side of the body for wings. Finish off by adding antennae. Then close that butterfly. So click here to know more about the 100 best activities for kids. Puppy for kids who are more dog people that can cat people. How to The face should be have oversized of circular cats for a dog. हमारे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।